Alright, Mad Max Randy again, working in the garage. It's hot, but I got my cool glasses on. Hey, I just want to give you a quick tidbit if you're doing body work on a car. I bought a couple Trans Am doors. I have one on the car completed from the same pair. And this is the other one. I thought this one was actually better than the one I did. And I was wrong. It is not. The one that I just finished up that I thought was really bad was this one. It's already on the car. I don't know if anybody can see that, but it's on there. Anyway, so that was actually a pretty rough door, but it's perfect now. Now, I'll tell you a reason why it was so difficult to work on these doors, and here it is. So if you can see this, but somebody put putty over every inch of this door. Every inch of this door has Bondo. And I was just going to tell you, I've been doing body work for 35 years plus. And you don't, I mean, I've heard of skin, you know, just giving a skin coat with some polyester. But you're really supposed to block that shit off. You're not supposed to leave an eighth or a 16th of an inch of putty over the whole damn door. And the problem with that is, I mean, you know, you think you solve a lot of problems. You're like, hey, it's just like a whole new skin. The problem is it'll crack. It'll crack. I mean, there's a lot of weight on this door. It's going to crack. So I was just going to say to anybody that's working on the cars and stuff, do not put putty over every inch of the frickin' door to try to make it smooth. What you need to do is do your metal work first. Get your metal work done. If you can't do your metal work, then you're not even a body man. You shouldn't even. My pride in my body work is to try to get the body as straight as possible with no Bondo at all. I mean, I've actually fixed dents where I just used a pin gun, a hammer and dolly, a shrink tip, and you know, a metal file, and then some 2K primer and blocked it out. And I've gotten dents out. Not one bit of putty. I mean, if you're puttying everything you own, you're not a body man, you're a fucking menace. Don't touch the putty. I don't open a can of putty until my door is feeling so damn good I could probably primer it and just block it out and it'd still be just a few waves. I mean, anyway, it's just imperative. Get your metal work done. If you don't know what you're doing, don't ruin doors like this. To me, these doors are just completely fucked and I have to completely redo them from nothing. And it pisses me off. So I spent $250 on a nice set of doors that I thought were nice. Actually, the guy goes, on that one door, I just scuff it and put it on. Yeah, really? I mean, come on, really? Look at it. Really? Look at all the putty in there. What the hell was going on here? Look, they use like a gallon of putty, and who knows how much time. What an idiot. Anyway, I'll show you a video of my door. And I probably only use like, you know, maybe 3 or 4 little mixes of putty to fix it all, and maybe some spot polyester filler, you know, on top of my primer. And then I'll probably primer it real good and block it, and it'll probably be perfect. And the door will be like, you know, 3 pounds lighter. Anyway, all right, that's just Randy's body shop tip of the day. Don't go crazy with the putty, buddy. All right.